Hello, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. 60 word per minute English dictation. Ready? Start. It has been brought to the notice of the government that the rules providing for reservation of vacancies in various services of the state for the released Indian Armed Forces personnel are not being properly enforced in certain departments of the government. Full stop. The number of persons expected to be released from the armed forces every year normally being much larger than the number of vacancies to be reserved for eligible among them for the civil posts under the relevant service rules, there should ordinarily be no occasion for a vacancy reserved for the aforesaid class of candidates being filed by the recruitment of a person belonging to any other category. Full stop. However, where it is found after due advertisement of a vacancy reserved for the released armed forces personnel under the relevant rules that a suitable candidate is not available, it is permissible to fill the same temporarily subject to the condition that the vacancy so filled by the recruitment of a person other than a released armed forces personnel or ex-serviceman, as the case may be, shall be carried forward to the following year, provided that no such vacancy shall be carried forward for a period not more than 4 years, stop.